Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here.
Axiory positions itself as a broker built around execution transparency, platform choice, and trader control rather than mass market gimmicks. One of Axiory's most noticeable strengths is the flexibility it gives traders in how they access the market. The broker supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which immediately makes it attractive to both traditional MT users and traders who prefer depth of market visibility and advanced order handling. Execution is generally smooth, with a strong emphasis on market-based pricing rather than internal dealing desk intervention, which appeals to scalpers, algorithmic traders, and those running EAs. Axiory also puts a lot of focus on risk management and account transparency. Features like negative balance protection, flexible leverage settings, depending on jurisdiction, and detailed trade reporting make the platform feel structured and professional rather than promotional. Traders often highlight stable platform performance during normal market conditions, and the broker's infrastructure feels built for consistency instead of flashy extras. Educational resources are present and practical, covering trading basics, platform usage, and market concepts without overselling unrealistic outcomes. On the downside, Axiory is not a feature-heavy ecosystem broker. You won't find built-in copy trading communities, social feeds, or aggressive bonus campaigns. Research tools are functional, but not as extensive as what you see on large multi-asset platforms. For traders who want all-in-one analytics dashboards, sentiment tools, or social trading elements, Axiory may feel minimalist. Some users also note that the brand is less widely recognized than major global brokers, which can matter for traders who prioritize long public track records or name recognition. In terms of reputation and background, Axiory was established in 2011 and has spent over a decade building a presence focused on execution quality and localized support. The company emphasizes regional teams and trader accessibility rather than a one-size-fits-all global approach. This slower, controlled expansion has helped Axiory build credibility among traders who value responsiveness and direct communication over rapid scaling. While it doesn't market itself aggressively, its longevity and operational consistency are often cited as quiet strengths. Now, moving to pricing and account structure. Axiory offers multiple account types designed to match different trading styles. These include Nano, Standard, Max, Tira, Alpha, and Zero accounts, each with different spread structures, platform access, and commission models. Some accounts focus on raw or near raw spreads with per lot commissions, while others build costs directly into the spread for simplicity. Minimum deposits are generally low across most account types, making the broker accessible without forcing large upfront commitments. Overall trading costs depend on the selected account, traded instruments, and volume, but the structure is clear and upfront rather than confusing or promotional. Stockpile takes a very different approach by focusing on accessibility, education, and family-oriented investing rather than active trading. The platform is built around the idea of introducing investing in a controlled, simplified environment, especially for parents and children. Stockpile allows users to invest in thousands of stocks and ETFs using fractional shares, which lowers the barrier to entry and removes the intimidation factor of high share prices. The experience is intentionally simple, with a clean interface designed to emphasize learning, long-term thinking, and gradual portfolio building rather than short-term speculation. One of Stockpile's strongest features is its family structure. Parents can create accounts for kids, approve investment choices, and use built-in educational tools to teach market basics. Stockpile includes learning content that explains what stocks are, how ETFs work, and why diversification matters, all in language that avoids jargon. On the positive side, Stockpile removes trading complexity. There is no margin trading, no complex order types, and no pressure to monitor markets constantly. This makes it well suited for families, beginners, and long-term investors
who want structure and oversight. Parental controls, spending notifications, and approval workflows reinforce responsible usage. For families, Stockpile feels less like a trading platform and more like a financial education ecosystem. However, these same strengths become limitations for experienced investors. There are no advanced charting tools, no technical indicators, no real-time trading depth, and no customization for active strategies. Execution timing is simplified rather than optimized, which may frustrate users accustomed to precise trade entry. Crypto access has been introduced but remains limited in scope, and advanced asset classes are not a focus. Some users also report that customer support responsiveness can be inconsistent during account changes or closures. Stockpile's history reflects its educational mission. Founded in 2010, the company began by offering stock gift cards and gradually expanded into a full family investing platform. Over the years, Stockpile reached major milestones, including millions of trades processed, partnerships with financial institutions, and the launch of zero-commission trading. The platform has steadily shifted from novelty gifting towards structured financial education, especially for younger generations. Pricing on Stockpile is subscription-based rather than transaction-based. The family-based plan is priced at $4.95 per month and supports one guardian with up to 5 kids, providing access to stock and ETF investing, educational tools, and parental controls. The Family Plus plan costs $9.95 per month and adds everyday money features such as allowance tools, debit cards for kids, spending notifications, interest on kids' savings, ATM withdrawals, and tuition reward points. Account types are clearly defined around family use rather than individual trading tiers, which simplifies decision-making but limits customization. In terms of public sentiment, Axiory holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 4.0, with customers frequently mentioning stable execution, reliable withdrawals, and responsive account support, while noting occasional delays during high traffic periods. Stockpile holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 3.9, with positive comments around educational value and family usability, balanced against criticism related to customer service speed and platform limitations for advanced users. Final takeaway: if you are an active trader who cares about execution speed, platform control, and market access, Axiory is clearly built for that purpose. If your goal is teaching long-term investing habits, managing family accounts, and removing complexity from the process, Stockpile offers a structured and approachable solution. If this breakdown helped you understand which platform actually fits your investing style, hit like, subscribe for more honest software comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that matches how you invest, learn, and build financial confidence over time.